What's happening, everyone? It's your boy here, Abdurrahim, back again with another great amazing tech video. Well, the video of today is brought to you by Miniso D11 Bluetooth speaker. Well, you're familiar with my channel. Some of the speakers we've come across, like the Larry Nano speaker. I hope some of you guys remember that tiny speaker, which gives you a good and amazing sound, and I decided to make it my own kind of daily. And right now we have Miniso in the house, and shout out to Sunshine, and let us just tell Sunshine get well soon, and drop your comments down below for you guys so as we can tell Sunshine get well soon. So for the info to just the elephant in the room, let us just get started with Miniso D11 speaker. Now the Miniso D11 speaker is actually very most great speaker to my own kind of aspect. The design, I kind of like it because actually Sunshine actually decided to go with my same color, which I usually like, the red and white, the red and black. It's my favorite color. And to just the elephant in the room, speaker is this one here. It has a Bluetooth of 4.1, which is something which is so great. And another kind of stuff, it's DC 5 volts. And another kind of stuff which you're gonna like it, it's USB 2.0. Now I've been seeing this kind of change throughout speakers, because back in the days we usually had a Bluetooth speaker but with not charging port of USB 2.0. Now right now we are seeing the game has changed a lot in a couple of years. And another kind of stuff which is so great about this speaker is the buttons. Now I kind of like these buttons, because as you can see guys, this type of button here, you can just flip it, flip flop like this way, but sometimes the button doesn't get to its own self to a maximum level whereby you're feeling that you pressed something. As you can see, sometimes it's not that much great when it comes to changing the channel which you want. Perhaps you want to increase volume or minimizing volume. I think it's something which is not that much great. This kind of stuff, I hope that Miniso D, another kind of version which they're gonna release it, like D12 or D13, they're gonna fix this kind of stuff. Miniso, we really like your design. It's so nice. The speaker looks so great. It's a little bit heavy, but the main thing is the physical buttons. I like this kind of stuff because it looks like a clock whenever you put it somewhere there on your setup. Another kind of stuff, let's turn it on and see what it has from us. I mean, so it's so great. I kind of like it. It's nice, and the rubber is so nice. So let me turn it on.
Bluetooth.
Okay.
Waiting for Bluetooth connecting.
I like that. That's the sound of Japan, since this speaker comes from Japan. So let me get my phone. I was finding my phone. By the way, let me just go to Bluetooth here. Let us just play some music here one time. Let me put the phone here. It's quite decent. I like the bass. It's so nice. It's so naive when it comes to bass, because the first thing first which you're going to look upon the speaker is how the dB, how does it gives it to you. If the dB it's quite minimum, that means the bass won't be that much good. It will be treble. So let us play again. Miniso D11, I kind of like it because the bass is so nice and it gives you what it's supposed to be. So this is the Miniso D11 speaker, and this is my review. So thank you guys for watching. You love this video, make sure that you hit that thumbs up, and if you didn't subscribe, make sure that you subscribe to your homeboy here. I really appreciate that. And last but not least, let us tell get well soon to Sunshine, and we had to reschedule our vlog. So perhaps on the next session, you guys, you're gonna see Sunshine. You saw Sunshine in the last vlog, but this vlog gonna be epic. So yeah, that's what's up. So thank you guys for watching. I'll be catching you guys on the next one, and peace.